In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Steam. First, open Steam on your computer. Then, move your mouse over your username at the top and click on Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page. Once you're on your profile, click the Edit Profile button on the right side. This will open your profile settings. In the menu on the left, make sure you're on the General tab. Under Profile Name, simply type the new name you want to use. For example, I can change it to this name here. After entering the new name you want to appear on your Steam profile, click Save. And that's it. Your profile name will be updated, as you can see at the top of the page. It's important to remember that your Steam account name cannot be changed. Only your profile name can. If you want to change your actual Steam account name, the only option is to create a new account, but doing so means you'll lose access to your games. Some people also mention opening a support ticket with Steam. However, this is not guaranteed to work and is not recommended unless it's truly the case. Never send a support ticket with false information. So, in summary, changing your Steam profile name is possible and easy, and that's exactly how you do it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.